Hey there! Have you ever felt like Facebook knows a little too much about your activities? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off Facebook's offline activity tracking to help protect your privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap the three horizontal lines, which you can find in the lower right corner of your screen. In the menu that appears, look for the Settings and Privacy section. Give it a tap to expand the options. Next, tap on Settings from the expanded menu. Scroll down until you see the Your Information section. Here, you'll find an option called Off Facebook Activity. Tap on it to proceed. You'll be taken to a new screen where you'll see a summary of your off Facebook activity. To proceed, tap the Manage Your Off Facebook Activity button. At the bottom of the page, you'll see three options: disconnect a specific activity, clear history, and disconnect future activity. For today's tutorial, we're focusing on stopping Facebook from collecting data on your future activities. Tap on Disconnect Future Activity. A confirmation window will pop up. Go ahead and select Disconnect Future Activity to confirm your choice. And that's it! You've successfully turned off Facebook's ability to track your future offline activity. This will help enhance your privacy while using the app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Tip Nest for more privacy tips, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.